Imagine this. You go to bed whenever you like, you wake up with no alarm, and when you check your phone, you find out that you've just made $500. That would be incredible, right? Well, that's not even the best part. This is completely worldwide available. You don't need a website for this to work, and this does not involve any social media platforms to work too. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so today's strategy, guys, involves three different platforms. And this, as you will find out soon enough, has huge potential to get you paid while you're sleeping. Literally, as was said in the intro, the first of those sites is called Digistore24.com. This, as some of you might know, is an affiliate marketplace. On here, you can find various affiliate others to promote. And I will show you a traffic source that will potentially get you thousands of clicks on that affiliate link of yours. Now with that said, before we move on, I want to quickly mention that if clickbank.com happens to be available in your country, you can most definitely use it, since it is also an affiliate marketplace. But since this is a worldwide available strategy, I will be using Digistore24 here instead, because it works mostly worldwide. Anyhow, on Digistore24, you need to click on register now here to create your account. Now, I won't walk you through the entire process since it's a simple stuff, and I know you'll be able to do it easily yourselves. Once you create and log into your account, you just need to access the affiliate marketplace in order to be able to grab links from various offers to promote. And so, you want to click on marketplace here and select all offers on affiliate marketplace. It's on this very page where you can find thousands upon thousands of various products to promote, and all of them have amazing commissions. The very first offer we see has 85% commissions, meaning you got to keep 85% of the profits, which in this case would be just below $700. This one below has 50% commissions, and a single sale would earn us even more money at $200, and so on. So you get the point. Most of the offers on Digistore24 pay big time. Furthermore, this site has a bunch of niches from which you can add and find various products to promote. You've got animals and pets, business and investments, computer and internet, email marketing, education, fitness, and so on. There are so many for you to choose from. Now, when you find a product you want to promote, in order to grab that affiliate link, all you need to do is click on promote now right here without having to get permission or whatever. And this, in my opinion, is an awesome feature of this platform. On Warrior Plus, for example, as some of you may know, you need permission first before you're able to grab an affiliate link. But that's simply not the case here. Anyhow, with all of that said, you will now want to find an offer you think is worth promoting. Here's an offer I will use in this video as an example called Done For You Services Affiliate Marketing System Hot Offer. This offer has 50% commissions and will make me around $340 per single day, and the affiliate link I have right over here, as you can see. Now that you have your link, it's finally time for me to show you the traffic source we will use today. And that traffic source is called adclerks.com. Now, right off the bat, I'll let you know, guys, that this requires a tiny investment. So, if either you don't have any money or you just don't want to spend any, then you might want to check out some of my videos with free strategies. But I promise you, even though this requires an investment, it's incredibly worthwhile, as you will soon find out. With that said, what is the site anyway, and how can I help get us traffic? Well, AdClerks is basically a site where you can find various big websites that will advertise you on their homepage for a small amount of money. And the best part is that you can find sites on varying categories too. You have affiliate, SEO and marketing, beauty and fashion, business and finance, cryptocurrency, education, and so on. What category of sites you'll want to pick depends, of course, on the type of offer you choose to promote. If you found an offer relating to weight loss, fitness, or whatever, you'll want to select sites in the health and fitness category. If you have an offer relating to education, you will then take the education category and so on. And just think about it, guys. If you, for example, like me, are promoting a product that helps affiliate marketers and you can advertise on the site where you have thousands of people who want to make money doing affiliate marketing, when the members of that site will be willing to check it out, this is why AdClerks is perfect to use to get traffic. And it gets even better from there. Just check this out. This website gets 4.4 million visits a month, and they just add $75 a month to advertise me at the top of their page. In my case, I would literally need just a single person out of those 2 million to purchase the product I'm promoting in order to earn $300. And it's nearly certain they will. As I said, people on the site all want to do affiliate marketing. So you can see the potential here is huge. And even though you have to invest some money, you can get a huge return on that investment. With that said, however, as you know, in order to them to advertise you, you need to design a banner first that you will then send to the website. Once you pay them and once someone clicks on that, they will be taken over to the product you're promoting. And so now it's time for me to show you the third and final platform that we will use for that particular purpose. And that site is none other than Canva.com. This is a tool I've shown quite a few times on my channel already. But for those of you who don't know what it is, Canva is basically a website where you can design and create literally everything and anything. You can see you have Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts. You can also create various presentations, design websites, and so on. You get the point. And the best part, you get all of these for free. They do have some paid options though, but you don't need to pay them 99% of the time in order to design what you want. Now what you need to do on here is first click on sign up in the upper right corner in order to create a brand new account. Once you do, you'll want to log in, which I will now do myself as well, to show you what you want to do next. What you need to do next is click on templates here. And now you want to find a template to use to design the banner. When you find a template you like, just simply click on it and then you want to click on use this template. Doing just that will take you straight over to the editor. And this is where you will design the banner. Here you can also see the template I found to use in my own example. Now, obviously, what you will want to type in here and how you want to design this in general depends highly on what you are promoting. Since my offer is about affiliate marketing, I wrote learn how to make money from home, as you can see. Now, you might want to invest just a tiny bit more time into this than myself in order to design this properly, so it looks really nice. Now, when you're satisfied, all you are going to do from there is click on download in the upper right corner and then send it over to the website which you pay to advertise you. And it's all smooth sailing from there. Due to the sheer number of impressions, some of these websites have its guarantee you'll get a lot of sales. And as you've seen it doesn't require much money for you to earn thousands of dollars in passive income. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.